Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. We are so happy to see you again.
Yes, so happy. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and share with your friends. Give us a like, too. It helps us a lot.
It does. So, Rachel, today's topic is fun.
Oh, I like fun topics. What is it?
Today, we will talk about things we like to do.
Ah, I love that. What do you like to do, Charles?
That's a good question. I like to do many things.
Me too. So many things.
I like to read books. Books are great.
Oh, I like to read too. What kind of books do you like?
I like storybooks. Adventure stories are my favorite.
Wow, adventure. That's exciting. I like picture books.
Picture books are nice, very colorful.
Yes, I love the colors. I also like to watch movies.
Me too. I love movies. It's a great thing to do.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like funny movies. Comedies. They make me laugh.
Laughing is good. I like funny movies too. And I like movies about animals.
Animal movies are cute. I like them. Do you have a favorite animal movie?
Yes. I like a movie about a lion. A big, brave lion.
Oh, I think I know that movie. It's a classic. Very good.
It is. What about you? A favorite funny movie?
I like a movie with a very funny man. He has a green car.
A green car. That sounds funny.
It is very funny. We should watch it together sometime.
Yes, that's a great idea. I also like to listen to music.
Music is wonderful. I listen to music every day.
Me too. In the morning, in the car, at home, music is always on.
What kind of music do you like, Rachel?
I like happy music, pop music. It makes me want to dance.
I can see you dancing now. That's great.
What about you, Charles? What music do you like?
I like calm music. Jazz is very nice. It's relaxing.
Ah, jazz. Yes, it is very relaxing. Good for the evening.
Exactly. So, we like reading, watching movies, and listening to music. What else?
I like to play sports.
Oh, really? That's so cool. What sports do you play?
I like to play tennis. It's a lot of fun.
Tennis. Wow. I am not very good at tennis.
It's okay. It's just for fun. You can try.
Maybe. I like to swim. Swimming is a good sport.
Oh, I love swimming, especially in the summer.
Yes, the water is so nice and cool.
It is. Where do you like to swim? At the beach or in a pool?
I like the beach. The ocean is beautiful.
I agree. The beach is my happy place. I like to walk on the sand.
Me too. And watch the sunset. It's so pretty.
Yes, the colors are amazing. Red, orange, yellow.
So, we both like the beach. That's nice.
It is. What about food, Charles? Do you like to cook?
Food. Yes, I like to cook. It's very creative.
It is. What do you like to cook?
I like to make pasta. Pasta with tomato sauce. It's simple and delicious.
Pasta. I love pasta. My favorite.
What do you like to cook, Rachel?
I like to bake. I make cookies and cakes.
Wow, you can bake? That is amazing.
Thank you. I love the smell of cookies in the house.
I can imagine. Fresh cookies are the best.
They are. My favorite are chocolate chip cookies.
A classic. You can't go wrong with chocolate chip.
Exactly. So, what do you like to do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I like to relax.
Relaxing is important.
Yes, I like to spend time with my family.
That's so nice. Family is very important.
It is. We play games together. Board games.
Oh, fun. I love board games. Which one is your favorite?
I like games with words. It's good for my English.
That's a smart way to play. Good job.
Thank you. What about you? What do you do with your family?
We like to go to the park. We have a picnic.
A picnic in the park. That sounds lovely.
It is. We bring sandwiches, fruit, and juice. We sit on a blanket.
That sounds perfect. Very relaxing.
It is. Sometimes my dog comes too.
You have a dog? I love dogs.
Yes, a small white dog. He is very cute. He likes to play in the park.
Ah, that's sweet. I don't have a pet, but I like animals.
They are great company. Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I do. I like to walk in the park. The trees are so green and tall.
It's nice to be in nature. It makes me feel calm.
Me too. Very calm and happy. What about friends, Rachel? Do you like to spend time with friends?
Of course. Friends are the best.
I agree. What do you like to do with your friends?
We like to go out. We go to a cafe and drink coffee.
Oh, that's nice. A good coffee and a good conversation.
Yes, exactly. We talk for hours.
That's a great way to spend an afternoon. I like to do that too.
And sometimes we go shopping.
Shopping! Are you a big shopper?
Not a big shopper. I like to look at the windows. Window shopping.
Window shopping is the best. It's free.
Yes, it is. What about you and your friends?
We like to play video games together.
Oh, video games. Fun. Are you good at them?
I am okay. My friend is very good. He always wins.
But it's fun to play together.
Yes, that's the most important part. Having fun.
I agree 100%. What is something you don't like to do, Charles?
Something I don't like to do. I don't like to wake up early.
Me neither. The bed is so warm in the morning.
It is. I like to sleep.
I do too. I am not a morning person.
No, not at all. I am a night person. I have more energy at night.
Same here. I like the quiet of the night.
Exactly. What is something you don't like to do?
I don't like to clean the house.
Oh, I understand that. Cleaning is not very fun.
No, it's a lot of work. But a clean house is nice.
Yes, that is true. A clean house is a happy house.
I guess so. I just don't like the process.
I get it. Do you like to draw or paint?
Ooh, yes, I like to draw. I am not a great artist, but it's fun.
That's all that matters. What do you like to draw?
I like to draw flowers and trees, simple things.
That's wonderful. Nature is a beautiful thing to draw.
It is. What about you? Do you like to draw?
I can't draw very well. I like to take photos.
Taking photos is a great hobby.
It is. I like to take photos of people and places.
That's so interesting. You capture a moment.
Yes, exactly. A memory. I have a camera. It's not a big camera, but it's good.
The best camera is the one you have with you.
That is very true. Do you like to travel, Rachel?
I love to travel. I like to see new places.
Me too. Where do you like to go?
I like to go to the mountains. They are so big and beautiful.
Wow, the mountains. I like that. The air is so fresh.
It is, and it's so quiet. I like to hike in the mountains.
Hiking is great exercise. And the view from the top is amazing.
Yes, you can see everything. What about you? Where do you like to travel?
I like to visit new cities. I like to see the buildings and the museums.
Ah, cities are exciting. So much energy.
Yes, and so much history. I like to learn about the history of a place.
That's very interesting. Do you have a favorite city?
I really like Paris. It's a very beautiful city.
Oh, Paris. I would love to go to Paris.
You should. It's wonderful. The food is amazing too.
I can imagine. So many things to do. We like to do so many things.
We do. Reading, watching movies, listening to music, sports, cooking, seeing family and friends.
Traveling, taking photos, drawing. It's good to have hobbies.
It is. Hobbies make life interesting.
I agree. They make us happy.
Yes. So, Rachel, what do you want to do this weekend?
Maybe I will bake some cookies.
Oh, yummy! Can I have one?
Of course. And you? What will you do?
I think I will read my new book. It's an adventure story.
Sounds like a perfect weekend.
It does. Very relaxing.
I think it's important to do things you like.
Yes, every day. Even for a little bit.
Exactly. It can be something small, like listening to one song you love.
That's a great point. Or reading one page of a book.
Yes, it helps you feel good.
It really does. What about learning new things? Do you like to learn new things?
Oh, I love to learn. It keeps my brain active.
Mine too. What is something new you want to learn?
I want to learn to play the guitar.
The guitar! That is so cool, Rachel.
Thank you. I think it's a beautiful instrument. What about you?
I want to learn a new language.
Oh, really? Which one?
I think I want to learn Italian. It sounds so beautiful.
It is a beautiful language, and it's close to Spanish.
A little bit. I think it would be fun.
That's a great goal. Learning is a journey.
It is. Just like learning English.
Yes. For everyone listening, learning English is a great thing to do.
It is. And we are so happy you are learning with us.
We are. It makes us so happy. Do you like to garden, Charles?
Gardening? I don't have a big garden, but I have some plants.
Plants are nice. I have some in my house too.
They make the room look fresh and green.
Yes, they do. I like to water them and watch them grow.
It's very rewarding. It's nice to take care of something.
I agree. It teaches you to be patient.
That's true. Plants grow slowly.
Yes. Do you like to dance? We talked about dancing to pop music.
I am not a good dancer, but I like to dance when no one is watching.
Me too. In the living room with the music loud.
Yes, that's the best way to dance, just for fun.
Exactly. It's pure joy. No one needs to be a professional.
That's a good philosophy for many hobbies. You don't need to be the best.
You just need to enjoy it. That's the point.
Yes, the joy is in the doing.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
So, we have a long list of things we like to do.
A very long list. It's nice to know more about you, Charles.
It's nice to know more about you, too, Rachel. We have a lot in common.
We do. That's great.
This was a fun conversation.
It really was. It made me want to go play tennis and bake cookies.
Not at the same time, I hope.
No, definitely not. That would be messy.
Very messy. Well, our time is almost up for today.
Oh, already? That was fast.
Time flies when you're having fun.
That is so true.
We hope you all had fun with us today.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed our conversation.
Before we go, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, English on the Way.
And share this episode with your friends and family. A little click makes a big difference for us.
Yes, it does. And please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what do you like to do? We would love to read your answers.
We read all the comments. It's something we like to do.
It is. Thank you for listening.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.